All right, tech dreamers and future innovators, buckle up for the most game-changing 15 minutes of your life. I'm about to blow the lid off the best-kept secret in tech, how to become an AI and machine learning master without selling a kidney or drowning in student debt. Let me take you back to 2 years ago. Picture this, me sitting in a cramped apartment, surrounded by instant ramen cups, scrolling through job boards and feeling like the entire tech world was playing some exclusive party I wasn't invited to. I was working a dead-end retail job, watching friends land six-figure tech roles, while my computer science dreams felt like a distant, impossible fantasy. The traditional path looked hopeless. College, $50,000 in debt. Boot camps, another $15,000. Tech certifications, forget about it. I was broke, frustrated, and honestly, pretty damn desperate. But here's the plot twist that changed everything. The internet is the most powerful learning machine ever created, and I was about to hack the system. We dive deep. Let's shatter some myths. You do not need a computer science degree, crazy math skills, thousands of dollars in education, some magical tech genius gene. What you do need: curiosity, persistence, a smartphone, or computer and internet connection, about 10-15 hours per week, free learning foundations. Let's talk strategy. The absolute first step is building a rock-solid foundation. And no, this doesn't mean memorizing complex algorithms or selling your soul to textbooks. Top free learning platforms that actually work. Google career certificates. Believe it or not, Google has created entire learning paths that are 100% free. Their AI and machine learning certificates are like finding a treasure map to tech success. These aren't just random courses. They're structured learning experiences that actually partner with tech companies. Pro tips for Google certificates. Complete at your own pace. Get industry-recognized credentials, zero upfront cost, designed by actual Google experts, Coursera and edX. University-level learning, zero tuition. Imagine taking MIT-level courses without paying MIT-level prices. That's exactly what Coursera and edX offer. I'm talking about legitimate university-level machine learning courses that you can access completely free. Many of these platforms offer financial aid. I personally took a $1,500 machine learning course for free by simply applying for their assistance program. Most people don't even know this option exists. But wait, how do you actually practice these skills without expensive software? 2. Coding and practical skills. Welcome to the playground of tech learning. Practical coding platforms. Kaggle, your new best friend. Kaggle isn't just a learning platform. It's a competitive arena where you'll transform from beginner to legitimate data scientist. Features include free datasets, coding challenges, machine learning competitions, community feedback, real-world problem-solving scenarios. GitHub, more than just a repository. GitHub is where you'll build your digital portfolio. Think of it like LinkedIn, but for your actual coding skills. Here's how to leverage it. Create public repositories, contribute to open-source projects, showcase your machine learning models network with other developers, prove your skills through actual work. Python, you're golden. Ticket to AI and machine learning. Why Python? Beginner-friendly syntax, massive community support, tons of free learning resources, industry standard and AI ML versatile across multiple domains, free Python learning resources, free code, Camp Code Academy YouTube tutorials, MIT open course. Where Python's official. Documentation, free tools and software, professional grade tools that won't cost. UApenny, TensorFlow, Google's open source machine learning framework used by major tech companies. Completely free, supports both research and production. PyTorch, developed by Facebook's AI research lab. Dynamic computational graphs, excellent for deep learning projects. Massive community support. Google, Colab free GPU. Access, Jupyter Notebook environment. Run complex machine learning models, zero infrastructure setup. Required, your network is your net worth. Top free networking. Platforms, Reddit, R Machine Learning, R Learn Machine Learning, Discord tech servers, LinkedIn learning groups, Stack, Overflow Twitter tech communities. Networking pro tips. Be genuinely curious, ask specific questions, share your learning journey, offer help to others, engage consistently. The portfolio that speaks louder than any degree project. Ideas to get started. Recommendation. System Netflix-style content recommender demonstrates data processing skills, shows real-world application image classification, project recognize objects, animals practice computer vision techniques, build using free datasets, sentiment analysis, tool analyze. Social media product reviews showcase natural language processing skills, demonstrates practical AI application. YouTube channels that are better than most paid courses, Blue One Brown, Mathematical Foundations, Cent Decks, Practical Coding, Andrew Ng's Lectures, 2-Minute Papers, Lex Fridman. Here's the brutal truth. The AI revolution isn't some distant future, it's happening right now. And the only thing standing between you and an incredible tech career is the decision to start. You don't need expensive degrees, years of study, massive student loans, permission from anyone. You just need curiosity, consistency, the willingness to learn. To everyone watching who feels overwhelmed, who thinks they're not tech smart enough, this message is for you. The barriers that used to exist in tech are crumbling. Information is free. Opportunities are everywhere. Your future isn't defined by your past. It's defined by the skills you're willing to learn today. Are you ready to become an AI and machine learning master? Subscribe to my channel for next videos, and don't forget to like. The only person stopping you is you. This AI learning hack feels illegal.